So if your streaming device is slowing down in 2026, whether it's lagging, it's buffering, crashing, it's probably not just your internet. And today I'm going to jump into the real reasons why and how to fix it. So we're going to jump right into the details. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. All right, so first things first, let's kill the biggest myth that a lot of people ask and a lot of comments about this. If Netflix fails to load, or the menus lag, or if YouTube plays fine but sometimes it stutters, this is more than likely not your internet speed. It's your device struggling. And the reason I say that is in today's day and age, internet is good enough. And if you have over 50 megabits per second, your streaming should be fine. Need about 30 megabits per second for 4K. So streaming on Netflix, streaming on YouTube shouldn't be an issue for your internet. So here's the real reason your streaming device feels slower now. Background services, ads, as well as silent operating system changes. So devices from your Amazon Fire TV stick to the on 4K devices and even your premium boxes like your NVIDIA Shield TV are doing a lot more in the background than they used to in the past. What I'm talking about in the background, we're talking about home screen ads, background app syncing, more data tracking. Some can be turned off, some of it can't. More system services running, and all of this is going to eat up your RAM, especially on budget streaming devices. So why does older devices feel worse? So here's the part that nobody's going to tell you. Updates are built for newer hardware, not your 2-year-old device, your 10-year-old device. Yes, the NVIDIA Shield may be the exception to this, but upgrades are built for newer devices. That's why when you buy an iPhone in a couple years, it seems to slow down. These software pushes are built for new hardware that are the latest and greatest for your device. So every update is going to add features, but your processor and memory essentially are going to stay the same. And that's why devices that felt fast in 2024 are going to feel sluggish here in 2026. So here are some settings that you need to change that can help you speed up your device. First is background applications. Whether you're on an NVIDIA Shield TV, your Fire TV stick, on 4K Pro, if you never close your apps, they're going to pile up, they're going to eat your memory, and they're going to slow down your device. Like I said, on different devices, there are different ways to do it. You can force stop on the Fire TV stick. You can do that on NVIDIA Shield TV as well. Essentially, you just need to go into your settings, go to your apps, and force close those applications. Some devices are going to allow you to do multiple. Others, you might have to get additional applications to do this for you, but I've done videos on this and I'll go ahead and link them in the description. This next thing is auto updates, and auto updates is going to kill your system two ways. One, it is going to update to a new operating system. Sometimes these are needed to fix, but other times they're just new features that you probably don't need. So I always recommend that if you can prevent your device from updating automatically, then you can choose which updates you actually want to use. The other thing is, if your device is sent to automatically update, that means it's going to do that whenever it wants to. On NVIDIA Shield, for instance, I love the fact that if you go to upgrades on NVIDIA Shield, you do have the option to turn it on and off, but also you have the option to pick a time when the upgrade happens, and that's what a good system should allow you to do. But if an upgrade is happening while you're watching YouTube, of course it's gonna struggle. It's gonna struggle if you're watching anything. So this is something that you definitely want to keep in mind as well. And the third thing is going to be your ads and animation. I've done an in-depth video on the NVIDIA Shield, for instance. It does allow you to change the animation, but as far as ads on the Fire TV stick, they're going to be there, but you can do some things to kind of get rid of them. So on the Fire TV stick by default, when it's highlighted in this area, it's going to play video, it's going to play audio. And again, that's going to use up resources, going to slow your device down, but you can go ahead and disable some of it. So as you can see right there, it wasn't playing, it just kind of showed the slideshow. But if you go into your settings, go to device preference, and if you go down to featured content, you do have the option to turn off allow video playback as well as audio playback. So those are two options. Definitely want to tinker with on your Fire TV stick, but other devices will allow you to do similar things to help. So here's another question that comes up a lot. When should I reset my device, and when should I think about upgrading or replacing that device. So here's my rule of thumb, guys. If your device is under 2 years old, try restarting your device, clearing cache, adjusting your settings, factory reset as a last resort. We've seen it before where nothing's gonna fix it. Then you want to do the nuclear option and just factory reset your device. But if it's older and it's struggling, even after all that, it might be time to upgrade your device. And again, I'm going to put the NVIDIA Shield as an outlier on this. We know that the Shield was built essentially future-proof. So even in 2026, for a 2015 box, over 10 years old, they're still going good. So it's going to be immune to this for the most part, but most devices, that rule of thumb is a good one to go by. So just to wrap up, no, your streaming device isn't broken. It's just been asked to essentially do more than it's designed for. So if you fix some of your settings, cut back on your junk, your background, clear your cache, kill your running apps in the background, you'll get a noticeable difference. So now I want to know, what streaming devices are you using right now, and does it feel slower than it did last year? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Of course, if you have any specific questions, let me know as well. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.